Hi, my name is Cameron, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a parrot out of a toilet paper roll. So, to do this, you'll need a toilet paper roll, like I have here. And then the first step is you're going to make the body of the parrot. So I have here some construction paper. So when I made mine, I used purple and red construction paper, but you can use whatever colors you want. So I have a lot of different colors here. So I'm just going to pick yellow and orange. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your construction paper and you want to cut it. You're going to want to cut it in half because what you're going to end up doing is you're going to be wrapping the construction paper around the toilet paper roll. So you're going to want to cut your color of construction paper in half. And then you're going to want to wrap your toilet paper roll around the construction paper around the toilet paper roll. Now, you can use glue. So I have some glue here, and I'm going to just use some glue, put some glue on the toilet paper roll. And you can use glue to do this. And if you find out that the glue doesn't really work, you can also use tape to do this as well. So, you're going to want to, and if you're using a glue stick like I am, you're going to want to use a lot of the glue stick. And then you want to just glue it so it's nice and tight around the toilet paper roll, just like that. Okay, and then like I said, if you don't have glue, tape, any kind of tape will work just fine. So this is the body of the parrot. And then you're going to take another piece of construction paper, any color you want. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use yellow. And then you're going to cut that in half. And then starting about, I would say, well, so actually, you're going to want to cut the second piece in half again, like that. And then you're going to want to wrap this half around the piece like this, and you want to glue it, but you want to be able to see like some of the body, and then this piece will be the head. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue the yellow piece onto the orange piece, and I'm going to just wrap that around. And then like I said, you kind of want to leave enough so you can see the body. And then once again, if the glue you're using, if it doesn't work and you have tape, you can use tape. And the tape will work just fine if you don't have glue on hand. And so then you want to glue it so it closes nice and tight. And I'm using a glue stick, but if you have a glue bottle, a glue bottle will work. So any kind of glue really will get the job done. And you want to be careful that when you're gluing it, you try to keep it straight and try not to bend the paper too much. But if you do, it's okay. So, alright. So there we go, I think that's there. Put a little bit more glue here on the top. And if you find out that, you cut the construction paper too short, it's okay, because you can always get another piece, or you can always start over. And all of these materials, like the construction paper, and eventually you'll see that I have feathers. I was able to get all of these materials at Walmart for pretty cheap. So if you don't have these materials on hand, you can easily go to the store and buy more. So mine isn't working, so I'm going to use some tape. So you're going to want to take your tape, and what I like to do is I like to make tape rolls. So you're going to take the tape, and then you're going to kind of want to like fold it like that. And then when you tape it, you want to just put the tape on there like so, and then just roll it around. Just like that. Okay? So next, so for the eyes, so I bought these giant googly eyes from Walmart, I think for like 97 cents. So you can use these for the eyes, or if you want to be creative and you have construction paper, you can draw eyes on the construction paper and cut those out and put those on. But I thought it would be really cool to use some googly eyes. So then for these, you're going to want to just put glue on the construction paper and then put the eyes on. And I'm going to put the eyes on this side so you don't like see the tape. And once again, if you find that the glue isn't holding well, you can always use tape. So we have the eyes. And so then next, we're going to have the nose. And so basically for the nose, you can just, so this is foam or felt. So once again, you can use construction paper, just cut out a triangle. And then you're going to glue or tape the nose onto the face, like so. And then you have a nose. All right, so next, it's a parrot. So any parrot has feathers. So I was able to get these colorful feathers from Walmart, and I don't know how many came in the pack, but like $1. So you can use any colored feathers you want. So you're going to take 2 feathers. So I'm going to take this red and this blue one. And then I have these pipe cleaners, which you can also get from Walmart. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to wrap whatever 2 color feathers you have. You're going to want to wrap the 2 feathers you have with the pipe cleaner. So we'll use red and blue for that. So we're going to wrap those around. And the next, so these will be the arms. So you can place them, any way you want. So I'm going to place the arms of the feathers kind of like that. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get some tape for this part because the glue doesn't really work for the feathers. So you're going to want to get some tape. And you can use any, tape you have at your house. And then, like I said, I like to do rolls. So you're going to take it, and then you're just going to fold it. And then you're going to stick it on one end, and then you're going to attach your feather to the tape, like so. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. You're going to want to take your tape, and then you're going to want to roll it, like so. And then just attach it to the side. And then just, connect it. So just like that. Okay, so next, every parrot has a tail. So for the tail, you're going to take 3 feathers. So I'm going to take this green, yellow, and purple one. And you can use any 3 colors you want. And then once again, you're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to want to wrap your feathers together like so. And then you're going to take another piece of tape and, you're going to want to roll it. And then on the bottom or the back of it, on the back of the bottom, you're going to want to attach your 3 feathers. And then that is your parrot's tail. And then the last piece is, for the parrot and mine, you're going to have a feather coming out of the head, so you can use any color. So I'll just use this red one. So what you're going to do, I'm going to take another piece of tape. And then you're going to want to roll it like so. And then you're going to stick this on the inside. And then just connect the feather like so. And there you have a parrot made with toilet paper. Okay? So once again, you can get all of these materials at Walmart for very cheap. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.